Hi students, today I want to talk to you about how you're going to upload your sources from the research that you've done so far. Okay, so you know that from watching Mrs. Kukuru's video that you need a minimum of 4 sources for your research paper. Okay, so we are asking that you, as you find them, you are going to upload them here on Google Classroom so that we can see what kind of sources you're finding and that we can also direct you to better or sources if you're struggling, or we can kind of help you narrow down the best sources for your research. Okay, so we are posting this as an assignment. Okay, so there will be nothing here on your screen for you to open and click on and do. This is more so for you to dump everything into after you found it. So starting today, we are asking you to find 2 sources. And then later this week, we will be asking you to find an additional 2 sources, and you will upload all 4 of them to this particular assignment. Now you have a couple of ways that you can do this. I'm actually going to switch over to a Google Classroom that I am a student in so that you can see how I'm going to want you to do this. Okay, so if I'm looking at this, let's pretend that this was my assignment right now that says upload my sources here. Okay, so you know that over here in this box here, okay, this will not be there. There will be nothing that says your name. It's just going to say add or create. Okay, this is how you are going to turn your sources into us. You are going to click on the add or create button. Now you have a number of options here. The first is to just link the source to us. That is fine. However, if I'm being honest with you, the better option is to download your source as a PDF, okay, and attach the PDF here as a file. Okay, when you click on this, it will ask you where you want to grab it from. If you saved the PDF on your desktop, you can just simply drag it in, or if you saved it on the desktop as another format, you can select it from your device here and add it in. Here is the reason I am telling you that you probably would be much better off doing it that way, because next week we are going to ask you to annotate these articles. That means read them, take notes on them, highlight important details. And that's going to be much harder for you to do on a computer screen rather than having the piece of paper in front of you. I feel like it's much easier to print this out and actually be able to write all over it. That's my particular personal style. Maybe that doesn't fit you. Maybe you're able to do it on a computer. But to take the extra step now to go ahead and create these as PDFs would be much smarter, in my opinion. Many of these sources give you the option to download them immediately. I would highly recommend that you download them and save them to your desktop and then upload them here, again, using this add or create button, so that when next week comes and you need to print them out or access them to take notes on them, you already have that ready to go. So this part may be a little bit tricky this week. So if you have questions, please email one of your teachers. Join us in our Zoom meetings today so that we can help you and walk you through it a little more easily if you're feeling like you are lost. Okay, guys, good luck. Remember that by Monday, we are looking for you to have 4 sources minimum. Does that mean you can't add more? Of course not. Add as many sources as you think you're going to use, okay? You may not end up using all of them, but at least you'll have more than enough so that you won't have to go back and research more. Okay? So happy researching. Talk to you soon. Bye.